Hello everyone, thanks for joining me here today. My name is Elijah Ayers and I'm with Veurink's RV Center, located right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we have been family owned and operated for well over 60 years. Today I have the opportunity to show you around the all-new 2019 KZ 181 RB. Now this is a spin-off of that couples coach, keeping you very, very lightweight with only 3,000 pounds at 21 foot in length. Today I want to show you some of these features, so let's get started. As we walk around the front of the KZ, you're going to notice lots of windows all the way around. So you're going to capture that daylight, capture the breeze, be able to enjoy that sunshine even inside your camper. A really nice stone guard that they integrated to the front to help protect your investment while rolling down the road. As you work your way around here, you're going to notice two front baggage doors. They'll give you a lot of storage inside there as well. A full-featured 10-foot awning, so you can be able to hang out underneath it with it easily pulled to pitch. So this thing is going to let that water loose, even snow, who knows. Well, come on inside and let's show you around in here. Well, welcome inside to the 181 RB. Now this RB stands for a large rear bath. As you make your way to that rear bath, you're going to notice on your left-hand side, you'll have a very large hanging closet, a foot flush toilet, as well as a nice sink and tub and shower surround, including a medicine cabinet above that sink. So a lot of storage there back there for you. Moving your way out of the restroom, you're going to notice that you have plenty of counter space here. They're going to give you ample space, lots of storage throughout, even built-in drawer systems here to help you organize those items that you need to bring along with you. Nice 2-burner cooktop here, a single well sink. Then of course you'll have your over-the-range microwave and a lot of storage above that as well. Moving directly to your right, you're going to notice that you'll have a large refrigerator freezer combo here, so giving you plenty of space here. Above that, you'll have your wall mount AC. Now this is going to keep your camper very cool, very relaxed inside, so you don't have to worry about having a lot of overhang, especially for those that like to store your campers inside. This obviously will feature a really nice large slide out for you. Great for entertaining, playing cards, dining at, being able to escape the weather from outside. Moving towards the front here, you're going to have a very large walk-around queen bed. A lot of our customers enjoy having that big ample space to be able to move around, including a 110 outlet, even USB ports plugged right into the wall. Overhead storage is very, very ample space up there, along with a radio system that does your Bluetooth connectivity, even AM and FM with indoor and outdoor speakers, so you can be able to relax, hang out, and enjoy the times with your family and friends. Well, thanks for joining me here today as we toured the 181 RB Escape made by KZ. I know we covered a little bit of the features here as what this camper will boast, but I know you're going to have more questions, so I encourage you to reach out to me at the number below. It's 616-965-9603. Again, Elijah at Veurink's RV Center, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.